What if turning a few images into multiple videos with the same character in different scenes was as simple as just uploading them? That's exactly what this AI tool can do, quickly and with surprising consistency. And it doesn't stop there. You can create full videos from text and images, and even set the starting and ending frames to shape an entire scene just the way you want. Plus, there's something extra I'll show you, a free AI image generator by Google that creates high-quality visuals with ease. Let's take a closer look. Before we dive in, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest updates. So, without further delay, let's get started. Vidu AI has just updated its tool by improving its video generation capabilities and adding some new features. Let's start with the text-to-video tool first. At the top, we have all the available models in this tool. For the text prompt, you can follow the steps shown in this image. In ChatGPT, I generated some sample prompts by adding the subject, description, environment, and style. And here, we have a complete text prompt. Let's copy this prompt and paste it here. From the styles, I'll choose this animation option. You can generate a 5-second video in 1080p resolution. Keep the movement set to Auto and choose the landscape aspect ratio. You can adjust the motion level, but I'll keep it at the default. Click on the Create button and wait for the generation to finish. The standard plan costs $10 per month and includes 800 credits. You can explore all the available plans if you're interested in subscribing. Here, we have the output from our text prompt. This video looks great in terms of motion and character movement. You can upscale your video up to 4K by spending some extra credits. I believe the previous output was already in high resolution. Let's test the image-to-video generation tool. You can upload the first and last images to generate a complete scene, like this. We'll cover that in more detail later. For image generation, try this free AI tool by Google. You can watch the full tutorial in the linked video. Here, I've generated a couple of images by simply pasting the text prompts. Let's paste the text prompt here. Choose the landscape aspect ratio and click on the Generate button. Here we have an amazing result from this tool. Just download the image. Now, upload the image here. Paste the text prompt again. Keeping all settings at default, click this button to generate the video. Look at this amazing result in cartoon style. Now let's generate a scene video by uploading the first and last images. You can adjust the images as needed. Paste the scene's text prompt and click on the Create button. Here we have the output. You can observe the character consistency and motion throughout the scene. Let's explore the multiple consistency tool. First, add some images by clicking on this tab. Here, I'll add 3 images featuring the main character. In this case, a cartoon boy is our main character, who will perform different actions in different scenes. Write the character's name and relevant tags. Click the Next button. Here, we have the character along with its description. You can also add images one by one. Just click the Confirm button to save your character. Now, the character's name appears in the prompt box. I'll write a text prompt to generate the scene. And here you can see the output. For the next scene, I'll change the background image. I'll also update the description accordingly. And here we have the output. You can try different variations to create complete scene videos. Should I try this with multiple characters in a single scene? Let me know in the comments section. So, what do you think of this tool? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss the latest updates. That's all for this video. If you found it helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.